Today, I will learn colors. This balloon is blue. This balloon is green. This balloon is red. This balloon is yellow. This balloon is pink. This balloon is purple. So many colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, pink, purple. Can you say the colors with me? Red balloon, blue balloon. Great job! Colors make us happy. This flower is yellow. Same color. Is fun. Wow! A rainbow of balloons. Thank you for learning colors with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Noor Daily English. Bye! See you in the next video.